evening, guys. So today, we'll be talking about boxes with CSS. So before we create anything, let's first create our DVM. Just let me just write this one as box one. So there's not that it's not that HTML have a normal this thing. It's not that HTML has normal attribute called box. No, it's just this normal div. So it's how you style it to make a box. So that's what we are just focusing on here. So let's start from so let's say we have this our DVM. If you check it, it does not have, you see nothing is printing here. It does not have no height, no color. The color is same as the body. You know that the body is color white as default. So it has the same body as the same color as the body, no width, no height, so it is empty. So you cannot even see it. Now let's imagine I write something inside it like this and I say hello. Then if you check it, you see that the hello is just going to print it as color black as default. So we cannot even see anything here like this. So we cannot even see where the div is here. So now let's style it to see what I'm saying. Let's come to our style.css. Then if we put our background to be black. Now if you check it, you see the text as black before and also clear with it. So let's just put our color to be HFF5. So it's also going to be right here. So let's just ignore this one, but let me go to dot box one. So in our box one now, let's say I want to give it a background to be red. Now check it now, you see that it's going to be visible. You see it now, I have background to be red. You see it is just like this one now. Now I want you to know this thing that HTML, I want you to know that CSS, the normal web page, they used to have what is called padding and width as default. I think it has a margin of 10 pixels and padding also. I don't remember, but it has default as padding and width. You see there's space. You see that there's space at this place. Let me change this one to be white. Let me just remove it first. Now you see, okay, it's even clear like this. So red. So you see this right now. So you see this space from this place like this, from this IG to this red place. You see, it's in that normally it should start from the beginning, but as default, don't forget, as default, the normal web page has margin and has normal margin and width. So now let's continue. So let me just so if now to do it, you just put this one to be black like this. So let me talk about this padding. Let me put padding to be 0 and with and margin also to be 0. So now if we check it now, you see this place, from this place to here now, you see that it has gone away, but this place is still there. But let's just continue. Okay, so this one has this is our box one, background to be red. So first thing on box is, I told you text used to use what's it called text used to use font size and font width, but box like div used to use width and height. So now what do you put? You put this one to have width to be let's say we have our width to 100 pixels. You see, this pixels is the unit. You can have 100 pixels, you can have 100 rem, you can have 100 em, you can have 100%, you can have 100 view width. You can have it like this, but let me put it as pixels here like this. So you see the difference here now. You see, this is our 100 pixels here. Now let me also have height. Let's have height to also be, so let's say I put my height to 200 pixels. You see it now. So this is our, but let me just put this margin to be 20 pixels. I'm still going to explain this margin. I'm still going to put this margin back. Okay, so we have put our height and width to be 100 and 250 pixels respectively. So so let me now see, we have a text inside it here like this, hello. Now sometimes you can, let's say I have the height to be 50 pixels. You see it's very short now. Okay, now let's say I'm writing a long text inside it like this, hello, my name is. Now you see that this place, now you see that it is very, you see that it has overflowed it like this. It has overflowed like this. Now what are we going to use? We are going to use this thing called limiting. So you are going to put max width and min width. So let me try it now for you.